Hey y'all, I'm Coco and welcome to Koko'S Kitchen. What we have today is boiled jumbo shrimp. Look at this shrimp, y'all. Big jumbo shrimp. And we have the sauce that I made to dip it in. And I'm about to let y'all know the ingredients that I use for this sauce. First, I'm going to let you know this is what I took and boiled the shrimp in. Y'all can take is crawfish and shrimp, crab boiled. Okay, that's what I boiled the shrimp in. And this is the seasoning that I use. CKD Louisiana all-in-one seasoning. This is crushed red pepper. Louisiana hot sauce. And ketchup. All of that. That's what I used. Let me show y'all how big these shrimps are. When I say jumbo, I mean jumbo. Look how big the shrimp are. Y'all see that? Y'all see all of the seasoning on that shrimp? That's some good eating. You heard me? Let's get into it. For those who don't know how to peel shrimp, you take it. Look at all of this juice. Ooh, Lord have mercy. You take and you peel the head off that shrimp. It's gonna get a little messy, but we don't care. We like messy. We like messy. You peel half of the shell off the shrimp. Pinch the tail and pull it off. Now you take and you dip it all up in there. I see in it. That's good, y'all. That is good. You pinch the head, wiggle it, twist it, and you peel the shell midway, like that. You pinch the tail like this and pull it on out. You dip it in that good old sauce. Telling y'all, that's some good eating right there. Don't worry, I'm gonna wipe my table off. But y'all stay tuned for more videos from Koko'S Kitchen.